Hi everybody, welcome back to Bee Trapping. I know a lot of people are trapped inside with Corona, and now's a good time to be starting some plants for your garden. I've showed some hothouse videos of starting some cold weather crops, and inside here today I'm going to show you some things you can do inside. These are sweet potatoes that I harvested last year out of my garden, and it's really actually very simple and easy to get sweet potato plants for next year. Now, what you need to do is you need to pick 2 sweet potatoes or 3 or how many plants you think you want from your sweet potatoes that you harvested, or you could always get sweet potatoes that you buy or things like that. But you got to be careful about that because a lot of times they spray them with chemicals to stop them from sprouting and growing and things like that. But you find some plants, you figure out which is going to be the top side of the sweet potato. Now, a lot of people would see this right here and think that is the root of the sweet potato. That is not the case. Sweet potatoes will have a grouping that comes together at the top of the plant, and they grow down from that. So this is not actually the root of the sweet potato, it is the top. Now, all you got to do is take some vases that you normally put flowers in, or you could find any kind of jar, a mason jar, etc., that you can, that's big enough for the sweet potato to actually go in. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do this, and I've demonstrated them both here. I took toothpicks and jammed in the side of the sweet potato, and I just set that in the water. And what you'll see happening is the sweet potato will begin to shoot roots off the bottom. And these roots will become more and more and more and more. And then if you come right up top here, what you're gonna see is those are actually little plants, if you will, that are gonna start to grow. And those will begin to grow off the top of the sweet potato. And you're gonna have the same thing right here. As you can see in this one, I have a lot of roots that are growing off the sweet potato. And up here, you begin to see the new little plants that are starting to grow off of that sweet potato. Now, I want you to notice the difference in the root system on each of these plants. A lot of roots there, lesser amount of roots there. That's just like with any species, the genetic variation that happens within plants. They're not all gonna be the same. So, here in another couple weeks, I'll show you what to do when these get bigger, and you can start to root your own sweet potatoes. Like and subscribe. Thank you.